showing you how to start styling your room from creating a mood board. Hi, welcome back. My name is Bridie and I'm Amelia, and today we're going to be showing you how to style a mood board. So today Luke, Michael's friend, Bridie's husband's friend, has contacted us and asked us to do his house. His house! Yes. He was like, I have no room styled, and we walked in and we were like, oh my gosh, you have a bed and a couch and a table and that's it.
He has the essentials.
The bare essentials.
So he wants the little fairies, us, to come in and style it and make it look all pretty and cute for him.
And that's what we're going to do.
Hello!
Hi!
So we are on our way to Luke's house. Luke is Michael's friend from school. He's asked us to style his house.
Very exciting. A boy's house.
Yeah, very different. And he has one request. What is it, Amelia?
To keep his rap posters up.
Rap posters.
Like music rap?
Yeah. Do you know where you're going?
Where is it?
Yes, sorry about this awful lighting. So yeah, we are on our way to Luke's right now, and we will show you some of the rooms that he's wanting. There you are. We will show you some of the rooms that he's wanting us to style. We don't know what rooms it is yet, so, and we don't know how many, so we'll see.
Yeah, hopefully he doesn't have like 6 bedrooms.
I mean, pretty good. That'd be fun. What rooms are you actually wanting us to do? Or every room?
Well, as much as you want to do. That's
Oh really?
Yeah, I don't know.
Wow. So brave, I love it. You trust us so much. This is your main bedroom.
Yeah, make sure you have the mic too. You know,
Can I open the blinds?
Yeah.
Did you, if we did your bedroom, did you want to keep anything in here, or do you want to whole new everything, or like do you want a new bed, or keep the bed, or?
That's alright.
Yeah,
No,
is that like a
anything you want to.
gaming or studying nook sort of thing?
Just a desk.
Yeah. Cool.
No, but
Oh,
Not much.
do you do recordings? Really? Do you rap?
I think that's
Really? No way! You'll have to show us.
Michael's home.
Really?
Yeah.
Michael never told me this. And you even have an ensuite. That's so
Yeah.
cool. And then you have a walk-in. That's awesome.
You guys will always get footage of the rooms later, hey?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, cool.
you're not getting the before shots.
Cool.
So to start this process off, like a bedroom or a house or anything you want to style, you want to start with a mood board.
So we went on Pinterest and Amelia found a bunch of different design styles, and that were a bit more manly because he does live by himself. He bought his house recently. We showed him these Pinterest photos and we kind of drew from what the collection we had and saw like what he was drawn to, what he likes.
After going to Luke's and showing him the Pinterest board that we put together for him, he pointed out things that he liked and he didn't like, and that helped us figure out what kind of design style he would be. He also liked artwork, like line art and more modern sort of pieces of art, and so that kind of goes in with minimalism and a simplicity. Also requested that we keep his wrap posters up,
Which you would have seen in the video.
which is totally fine because we think it would be a really cool character trait and just bring it all together. So
It's a nice challenge, so thank you, Luke.
yes. So we're going to bring that in. He also has a hat collection, which also brings in character and colour. So
Very
we would
quirky.
incorporate that. And cool tones. He wants more cool tones rather than warm tones in his furniture and painting, etc.
We showed him two different images. One of them had some warm wood tones and warm colours in the decor and the furniture, and then the other image was more of a blue tone, blacks, cooler colours, and even some woods added into it. He quickly showed us that he did like more of the cool tone colours, which was nice to know. So overall, we have worked out from what we've shown him and what he picked out in the Pinterest images and what he kind of described that he liked. He didn't know exactly, but we had to try and draw it out of him. So we have diagnosed him to be, on the pie chart, it would be 40% industrial, so a lot of metals, a lot of black metals, textured walls, cement sort of feel. And then we've also got a bit of minimalism, definitely in the art, in line art, and then in the way of life. He wants it to be a bit more simple, so it's not so cluttered and high maintenance. And then a lot of contemporary is added into it with the furniture and the pops of colour and the different quirkiness of the wrap posters. So we've diagnosed him 30% minimalism, 30% contemporary, and 40% industrial.
So talking to Luke, we also asked him what he wanted to keep with all the stuff he already had in his house or that he had purchased, and things that he didn't really care about that we could get rid of. So what he did want to keep, obviously we talked about the wrap posters, and he wants his hats on display as well. So that brings a lot of colour into certain things. So we've got a lot of yellow tones, reds, oranges, blues, blacks, etc. And he also wanted to keep his couch set, which is more of it's a really deep sort of navy, greeny navy, tealy, I don't know. Teal. It's not navy, it's got a bit of a green tone in it. It's a nice colour though, but these ones have colour in it. So what you need to think about when you're designing a room is think about the pieces you want to keep and then work from there. And when you're creating your mood board, you put those colours or a photo of that image in the mood board and build up from there. If you need yellow, you can put yellow in some cushions or some decor on a shelf or a book or whatever. And so it brings it all together. Another thing you can think about is if you have nothing and it's a bare room, you want to work with either art or a rug, because that grounds it and you can work up from there or out from there.
Also, what I think is whatever your favorite piece is, say you're looking out for like a piece of artwork and that is your favorite piece in the room, you're going to want to have to dress the room according to that artwork because it's the most valuable for you.
It's like getting dressed in the morning. If you like a shirt, you gotta work around it.
You do. Find some pants that go with that shirt.
Match the lipstick, you know?
When creating your mood board, it's also a good idea to have like some base images pulled from Pinterest because they're usually styled rooms, but also going on websites and finding specific like items like furniture pieces or decor and pulling them in and seeing what matches. And if you're pulling it into one page, you're going to quickly find out that cushion does not go with that rug. They just don't match, or the colors just don't work well. Or if you're looking for specific wood pieces, say you have a coffee table and then you have your TV unit and you want those wood tones to match, you can quickly realize that those tones don't actually match each other and that you're going to have to find a new coffee table. Amelia also had a great idea. When you are making your mood board and pulling those images in from online websites, saving the link onto your notes is a good way to reference back to those links, so then you can find those items and purchase them after you're finished with your mood board.
Yeah, it's kind of like creating a mood board and a shopping list all at the same time.
Exactly.
After you've created your mood board and figured out everything that you think will look great in the color palette and painting, etc., you can then show your client or yourself or your partner or whoever you're designing for and say, look, what do you think of this? Is this with what you had in mind? Do you want to change any colors, or do you like that piece of furniture specifically? And that'll give you an understanding of where they're at and where you're at, and tweak a few things here and there if you need to.
So the number one rule that we all forget for designing your space, when we go out shopping, we're so overwhelmed and we're like, oh my goodness, how long is my TV? What's the measurements of my TV? I need to buy a unit. You need to measure before you go shopping. I actually carry a little tape measure in my bag. If I'm going to IKEA, you don't need one. They supply them there. But I still carry my tape measure in my bag, so then that way I can measure as I'm going out, but also make sure you measure your house and your room and your space before you leave.
And even take photos as well of your room, because you never know, it might be a different color to what you thought. Whatever it is, it just helps to have a visual along with the measurements as well.
References are key.
Well, we hope you got a lot of information from this video today, And we hope that you can apply that into your design style and what you're going to do for your house or room.
And not only you're following us as we are going to be styling Luke's new house.
Yeah.
Next we'll be doing his master bedroom and also his living room. So that's going to be exciting, and then we will see what rooms he has for us to do next.
Yeah, it's very exciting. So stay tuned and keep watching. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
And today we're going to be showing you how to style a mood board and create a room. No, we're not creating a room today.
But you don't need to design the garage.
No, there's a beamer in there. So.
There's a beamer.
Yeah, there's a beamer.
Did you buy one?
Is that yours?
Oh, it's not yours. Whose is it?
Charlotte's.
Oh, okay.
She doesn't know what a beamer is, people. No.
Even I knew that.
So it's already styled.
I thought a beamer was some sort of cool lighting.
Oh, BMW. Is that what it is short for? Okay.
Nice. Dun, 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 dun. And you like board games? Or was it just a one-time thing?
I just like chess.
Oh, okay, cool. Right.
Monopoly's good.
Yeah. Oh, I love Monopoly. Yeah, you probably don't want to play Monopoly with me though, because I'm pretty so
Oh,
competitive.
no, that's fun.
She's like to the point where she's angry.
I had to go in my room and like take a 5-minute time out because I was so mad at Michael.
It was just one-on-one.
5 minutes. It was one.
It was just one-on-one.
Oh dear.
I can stop.
Yeah, you can stop. Is that a dog? He jumped and sprayed me. Oh my gosh. Amelia's getting paw paws from Luke's treat because he doesn't eat paw paws.